The Ligier JS4 is a French microcar produced between 1980 and 1983 by Ligier, the automotive branch of the Formula One team Équipe Ligier. The JS4 represented a turning point for the company, marking its transition from sports car manufacturing to small urban vehicles. After ending production of the Ligier JS2 sports car and briefly assembling tractor cabins for Renault in 1978, Ligier engineers adapted one of these steel cabins into the body of a new four-wheeled voiture sans permis, a car that could be driven without a license. The JS4 featured a compact steel monocoque frame with independent suspension, rack and pinion steering, and drum brakes on all wheels. It was powered by a rear-mounted 49.9 cubic centimeters Moto-Bacane two-stroke single-cylinder engine producing around 3.2 horsepower, coupled to a continuously variable transmission driving the rear wheels. Its top speed remained below 45 kilometers per hour, approximately 28 miles per hour, allowing it to be legally driven by anyone over 14 years old in France without a license or road tax. The boxy, square design by Robert Broyer emphasized visibility with large windows and a glazed rear door, while its wide tires gave it a sturdy stance. In 1981, the JS4 became France's best-selling microcar, with nearly 7,000 units sold. It was offered in several trims, Standard, Luxe, and Grand Luxe, and even used as a pit vehicle by the Ligier Formula One team. However, its steel body, though strong, was prone to rust and mechanical strain, leading to axle and transmission failures. Ligier soon improved the concept. The JS8 appeared in 1982 with a 125 cubic centimeters engine and higher performance, followed by the JS6 in 1984, featuring a more powerful 49 cubic centimeters Derby engine and restyled front. Truck variants like the JS10 expanded the lineup, while later diesel-powered successors such as the 330 and 430 models increased reliability and payload. Production of the JS4 lineage continued through several facelifts until 1986, when the updated Série 5 ended its run. Yet the JS4's legacy endured. It established Ligier as a dominant manufacturer of microcars in Europe. Today, Ligier continues to produce modern license-free vehicles, including electric models, still carrying the innovative spirit born from a tractor cabin and a Formula One dream.